to another recipe with our Queen's Mom Kitchen. Bitter gourd is one vegetable that many people hesitate to eat because of its bitterness. The recipe which I am going to show today is a wonderful recipe that can be enjoyed by everyone at home, that is stuffed bitter gourd. So let's get started and check out with the recipe. I have taken 1 cup of Bengal gram, that is Tine Chenugulu, in Tamil Vadacha Kadalai. And I have taken fried sesame seeds, వేయించిన తెల్ల నువ్వులు, వరుత ఎల్లు, and 6 to 7 red chilies, and some garlic. Now I have taken medium sized bitter gourd like this. Now slit the center for the bitter gourd for everyone. Now take a bowl, transfer this bitter gourd into it, which we have slitted in the center. Now pour water into it. Now add turmeric and some salt for this. Now close the lid and boil it for 5 minutes. On the other side, for the filling masala, take a blender. Now add this Bengal gram, sesame seeds, garlic, and some red chilies, rock salt. Now blend it. Now transfer into it in a small bowl. You can store this masala for 3 months also. See this, the bitter gourd is boiled very well. Now squeeze the water and transfer into a bowl. Now remove the seeds from the bitter gourd. Do for remaining also like this. Now take a bowl. Now add some maida and water and mix it well for a fine paste. Take a little bit of filling masala to the bitter gourd. I am going to apply the maida paste. It is just to keep it together while frying so that it doesn't open up. Do the same process for all one. Now take a pan, pour oil into it for deep fry. Once the oil is hot, gently add this stuffed bitter gourd one by one. Keep the flame on medium and deep fry the stuffed bitter gourd. Now slowly turn it on the other side. Now turn off the stove and serve this stuffed bitter gourd nice and hot. Our crispy stuffed bitter gourd is ready to eat. Well, I hope you all liked it. Please hit the like button and share your comments and subscribe if you are not yet. Thank you.